Good day everyone and welcome to SEMICON Taiwan 2025. With the theme Leading with Collaboration, Innovating with the World, SEMICON Taiwan features more than 1,200 enterprises from 56 countries showcasing their latest innovations in the semiconductor industry. This week's event will focus and spotlight on some of the critical challenges facing the semiconductor industry, including AI, advanced chip packaging, HBM or high bandwidth memory, quantum computing, chiplets, and more. And among the many companies showcasing their technologies today is ASMPT, one of the leading global providers of hardware, software, services for the semiconductor and electronics manufacturing industry. And with me today is Patrick Huberts, Head of Business and Marketing for ASMPT ALSI, to talk more about ASMPT, their technologies, and how the company is empowering the intelligence revolution in the semiconductor and electronics manufacturing industry. Patrick, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Stephen. Thanks for the introduction.
Yeah. Tell us more about ASMPT and your role in the company.
Well, about ASMPT, I think we're the largest equipment vendor in the industry for supplying solutions for the semiconductor and the electronics manufacturing industry. Headquartered in Singapore, founded in 1975. So this year is our 50th anniversary. So we also have big celebrations.
Congratulations.
Yeah, within ASMPT we have two main segments. One is SMT and the other is semis or semiconductor solutions. So with SMT, we're focused on the printed circuit board assembly. And with semi, that's where we're here at the SEMICON show. We're focusing on assembly and packaging solutions to manufacture all kinds of applications, which are the backbone of the electronics industry.
What about your role at the company?
My role, as you already mentioned, I'm a head of business and marketing with the ASMPT ALSI team. So the laser singulation product line we have. So I had in the past, I started in R&D within Philips as a pick and place process engineer. Over 25 years in the business, so that explains my gray hair, right? And since then, I had several positions in product development, business development, and sales management. I'm currently within ASMPT ALSI. I'm heading the business development, the product management, and the marketing team for laser dicing and grooving solutions.
I see. So, Patrick, what is your overall theme this week at SEMICON Taiwan?
So the team here for AI, smart automotive, and hyperconnectivity. So we have many different solutions in our portfolio.
So, you've been around in the industry for quite some time now, as you mentioned earlier, your experience. From your observations, what are some of the biggest challenges that are being faced from your customers in the semiconductor industry?
What you see, customers are very demanding in terms of flexibility and productivity needs. And we try to, that requires a lot of flexibility from equipment vendors as us. So what we do, we take that into account in our designs. We try to come up with to make the solutions as versatile as possible. So so we can quickly adapt to let's say tomorrow's needs and manufacturing requirements. So we have a very strong R&D teams. We work very closely together with customers to align on the roadmaps. And that also helps us already to adapt for future needs. Take that into account in our system architecture to enable that versatility and the flexibility.
Okay. So Patrick, so let us talk about some of your technologies that you're showcasing here at the show. So please tell us, do a quick rundown.
We're highlighting basically three systems here. One is our wire bond solution, the Aero Pro, which has true vertical wire functionality. It's really advanced stuff. You have to see it later.
Right.
We have the SiPlace CA2, next generation system that can do SMT components, placement combined with flip chip or die on one single platform. But my primary focus is here to introduce this new LASER1206 platform.
Yeah, okay, so speaking of the ALSI LASER1206, so what is it about and how does it help the your customers in the semiconductor industry?
Well, the laser 1206 system, it's making use of laser ablation process. And by means of laser ablation, we can do cut a wafer completely, which is called laser full cut or laser dicing. Or we can remove some specific top structures, low K layers and test structures on top of a laser, which is called laser grooving process. So that's basically what we do. And what we differentiate in is we have a so-called multi-beam technology.
Okay.
So you have a laser beam, which has a relative high laser power. We can split by means of advanced optics. We can split it into a unique spot pattern, and the spot energy of those spots is relatively low. And with that, we can prevent any damage to the product. Especially key quality criteria are low burr, low recast, and of course the thermal impact on the die needs to be as low as possible. A thermal impact, also called heat effective zone. And that's something really where we differentiate with our unique patented multi-beam technology.
Okay. So what applications, semiconductor applications, are being targeted by ALSI Laser1206?
We already have a platform, a Laser 1205, which is more used in a back-end semiconductor environment. That's a less clean environment, less automated. But what you see for advanced packaging applications, that's more done in a more front-end oriented environment. So at IDMs, foundries. So they demand a more clean environment, a much higher level of automation.
So Patrick, in a nutshell, can you please highlight some of the key points you would say differentiates the 1206 overall in the semiconductor market?
Well, 1206 said the key differentiator remains the multi-beam technology that we already had on the 1205. We also have that on the 1206. 1206 further indeed has the higher level of automation that's really needed. It has a clean environment, and let's say it's a future-proof solution for these advanced packaging. Key differentiator is also our laser beam delivery technology. So we have a superior design, I want to say. That's also what we see if we benchmark our performance with competition. We have a much higher efficiency. The laser performance is much more stable, requiring minimal maintenance and parts replacement, and guaranteeing a very stable process. And also considering that in advanced packaging, where the applications are more and more complex, you only have a very narrow process window. So it needs a solution like we have.
Right. So I understand you will be launching this in the market, no? But I believe you've been working with customers to fine-tune the technology, the system. So how is that? Can you
Correct.
Tell us more about it?
As part of our, let's say, development process, we always team up with customers. So we have regular roadmap sharing sessions, so we already know our customer roadmap a few years ahead. So we also need to translate their requirements into what it means for our systems. Whether we need new technology, new cameras, blah, blah. Anything that will meet their manufacturing requirements eventually. And also when we have a solution available, like this new platform, already in a relative early phase, when we feel it's already mature enough to take it into a production area of customers, we put it there and then we refine it together with the customer in a production environment. And that's what we have been doing now with a few key customers. So now we feel the system is mature and ready to release to the full market.
Okay. So overall, Patrick, what can you say? What's your outlook for the semiconductor industry over the next 24 months?
We really expect the growth. That's also we'll see, mainly driven by AI, high performance computing, but also power automotive market. That's also one of our key areas. At this moment, power automotive is not so good, but for sure that will pick up. At least that's our expectation. It will pick up again. Those are the main areas where we expect growth, and especially if you consider advanced packaging, we believe ASMPT is well prepared. We have advanced laser solutions, of course, that's why we're here, but also next to that we have advanced TCB, thermal compression bonding solution, but also hybrid bonding solutions we have in place. So I think we're very well equipped for the years to come.
Patrick, so we are in Taiwan right now. From your perspective, how important is the Taiwan market and the Asian market in particular for ASMPT?
Oh, very important, very important. And Taiwan also, for years already, it has been the market where, let's say, new technologies have been introduced. I've been coming to the show for, I don't know, 10 to 15 years at least. So I really love it here, the atmosphere, and yeah, a lot of new things are happening here. And that it's not only in Taiwan, also Korea, also a very important market for us. So Asia is very important.
Okay, great. Patrick, do you have any final words or comments?
No, I want to thank you for your interest and giving me the opportunity to explain our new platform. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay. That's ASMPT, one of the leading providers of comprehensive solutions for the semiconductor and electronics manufacturing industry. It's Patrick, Huberts. Thank you very much again for this opportunity. I'm Stephen Las Marias for E Times Asia. Thank you very much for watching.